Best motorcycle: Honda Gold Wing. When it comes to touring motorcycles, the Honda Gold Wing stands out as one of the most iconic and revered names in the world. Since its inception in 1975, this legendary bike has set the standard for luxury, comfort, and performance in the touring category. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the history, features, and enduring legacy of the Honda Gold Wing. A touring revolution. The story of the Gold Wing began in the early 1970s when Honda set out to create a groundbreaking motorcycle that would redefine long-distance touring. The result was the Gold Wing GL 1000, introduced in 1975. It was powered by a 999cc flat-4 engine, which was quite different from the typical inline-4 engines of the time. This innovation provided a smooth and powerful ride, perfect for the demands of touring. Luxury and comfort. One of the key features that set the Gold Wing apart from its peers was its emphasis on rider and passenger comfort. The GL 1000 boasted a plush, wide seat, ample legroom, and a smooth suspension, making long journeys a pleasure rather than a physical ordeal. Over the years, this focus on comfort and luxury would only intensify. The birth of the Wing family. The GL 1000 was just the beginning of the Gold Wing legacy. In the following years, Honda would introduce various models, each offering unique features and catering to different types of riders. The GL 1100, GL 1200, and GL 1500 all brought improvements in engine size, power, and amenities. The introduction of the GL 1500 in 1988 marked a significant milestone, as it featured a flat-6 engine, which further improved the smoothness and power delivery of the Wing. The birth of the Wing family. The GL 1000 was just the beginning of the Gold Wing legacy. In the following years, Honda would introduce various models, each offering unique features and catering to different types of riders. The GL 1100, GL 1200, and GL 1500 all brought improvements in engine size, power, and amenities. The introduction of the GL 1500 in 1988 marked a significant milestone, as it featured a flat-6 engine, which further improved the smoothness and power delivery of the Wing. Evolution of the Gold Wing. The Gold Wing continued to evolve with the introduction of the GL 1800 in 2001. This model featured a 1.832cc 6-cylinder engine and a range of cutting-edge features, including a powerful sound system, cruise control, and an airbag option. The GL 1800 was celebrated for its ability to effortlessly eat up miles while cocooning the rider and passenger in a world of comfort and luxury. A range of models. In addition to the flagship Gold Wing Tour model, Honda offers other variations to cater to a broad spectrum of riders. The Gold Wing is available in standard, DCT, and airbag-equipped versions, ensuring that there's a Gold Wing to suit various preferences and riding styles. Technology and innovation. The Gold Wing has always been a pioneer in adopting cutting-edge technology. In recent years, it has embraced features like ride-by-wire throttle control, multiple riding modes, and a suite of electronic aids, including traction control and cornering ABS. The 7-inch TFT display provides essential information for the rider, and the DCT version allows for effortless shifting without a clutch lever. Comfort and amenities. Where the Gold Wing truly shines is in its luxurious accommodations. The seats are spacious and comfortable, and riders and passengers enjoy adjustable heating for cold rides. The bike offers generous storage space, including saddlebags and a top trunk, which can hold an impressive amount of luggage for long journeys. The integrated sound system provides excellent audio quality, making it perfect for enjoying music or podcasts during a ride. Exceptional handling. While the Gold Wing may be synonymous with long-distance comfort, it doesn't sacrifice handling or performance. The bike's chassis is remarkably balanced, offering stability on straight highways and agility in twisty roads. Its powerful engine ensures that you can effortlessly overtake slower vehicles, even when loaded with luggage and a passenger. Touring and style. The Gold Wing's design is sleek and sophisticated, featuring elegant lines and a distinctive front end. The bike's shape is not just about aesthetics, it contributes to its excellent aerodynamics, enhancing stability even at high speeds. Whether you're cruising through a city or taking on the open road, the Gold Wing looks and feels like the epitome of touring luxury. The Gold Wing community. Owning a Gold Wing means becoming part of a special community of riders who share a passion for long-distance touring and the unique joys it brings. Owners often organize group rides, rallies, and events, which are excellent opportunities to connect with fellow Wing enthusiasts and share stories of epic journeys. Legacy and influence. The Honda Gold Wing has not only left an indelible mark on the world of touring motorcycles but has also inspired other manufacturers to create their own luxury touring machines. It's a testament to the Gold Wing's enduring appeal and innovation in a category that demands excellence in comfort and performance.